Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Balm is a concentrated retinoid treatment in a solid balm format that feels cushiony and comfortable instead of harsh or drying. The 1% retinoid is balanced with hydrating ingredients so it can be used morning and night to steadily refine texture and soften the look of fine lines. Hyaluronic acid in the formula helps draw in and hold moisture, giving skin a plumper, smoother appearance that makes dry lines less noticeable. With regular use, the balm not only improves surface dryness, but also works on deeper wrinkles and early loss of firmness for more resilient-looking skin over time. The fragrance-free, dermatologist-tested, and allergy-tested formula makes it a strong option for people with easily irritated or sensitive skin who still want a high-strength retinoid. Its compact size and mess-free stick format make it easy to target specific areas like crow's feet or smile lines, and convenient to keep in a bag or travel kit.